भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवांसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। प्रज्ञानां सुप्रतानैः स्थिरचरनिकर व्यापिभिर्व्याप्य लोकान् भुक्त्वा भोगान्स्थविष्ठान् पुनरपि धिषणोद्भासितान् कामजन्यान् पीत्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् स्वपिति मधुरभुङ् मायया भोजयन्नो मायासङ्ख्यातुरीयं परममृतमजं ब्रह्म यत्तन्नतोऽस्मि। यो विश्वात्मा विदिजविषयान् प्राश्य स्थविष्ठान् पश्चाच्चान्यान् स्वमतिविभवान् ज्योतिषा स्वेन सूक्ष्मान् सर्वानेतान् पुनरपि शनैः स्वात्मनि स्थापयित्वा हित्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् विगतगुणगणः पात्वसौ न स्तुरीयः। कारिका 18 पेज नंबर 63 टीका। प्रकारांतरेण अद्वैतानुपपत्तिम आशंक्य परिहरति। So earlier also Advaita Anupapatti Shanka was raised. That how is Advaita possible if I experience Prapancha? As long as Prapancha is there, there cannot be Advaitam. Now, Prakarantarena Tippani Shastradi Prapancha Visheshasya Satyatva Avashyakatvena Iti Yavat. शास्त्रादि प्रपंच, forget other प्रपंच, शास्त्र, शास्त्र, शिष्य and शिक्षा. This prapancha has to be satya. Otherwise, how can knowledge take place? So, prakarantarena advaita anupapattim. In different way, anyat prakaram prakarantaram. Tena prakarantarena. Advaita, how it is not possible that Shanka is being refuted. Means Shanka is raised by Purvapakshi, is refuted. Vikalpo vinivarteta kalpito yadi kenachit upadeshadayam vado ज्ञाते द्वैतं न विद्यते। विकल्पो विनिवर्तेत कल्पितो यदि केनचित् उपदेशादयं वादो ज्ञाते द्वैतं न विद्यते। विकल्पो विनिवर्तेत, विकल्प would go away यदि केनचित् कल्पितः, if it is kalpita by someone. Means if the vikalpa in the sense this duality, shastra, shasta, shishya, this vikalpa, it would go away if it is kalpita by someone. Upadeshad ayam vadaha. Ayam vadaha upadeshad. This vada is there only for the sake of teaching. Means the reality given to Shastra, Shishya is only because of the teaching to arrive at Advaitam. When Advaitam is known, Jnate Dvaitam na vidyate. Advaitam Jnate Dvaitam na vidyate. When the knowledge takes place, then even that duality is negated. This will be discussed later also in Tritiya Adhyaya. So one duality is Laukika duality and another duality is Shastriya duality. In Shastriya duality there are two types. One is for Karma Kanda and Upasana and another is for Jnanam. All dualities will go when Advaita Jnanam takes place. Whether it is Laukika, Shastriya, of Purva Mimamsa or Uttara Mimamsa. But if the Jnanam has not taken place, we will see that in the next mantra. So here you see Tika. Yadi kenachid hetuna तत्वज्ञानेन कार्येण शास्त्रादि विकल्पो हेतुतया कल्पितः. For some reason, केनचित् हेतुना तत्वज्ञानेन कार्येण, तत्वज्ञानम will be the karyam. For that sake, शास्त्रादि विकल्पो हेतुतया, शास्त्रादि विकल्प is हेतु means कारणम, हेतुतया कल्पितः. तथापि असौ बाधितो निवर्तेत. It will get negated, it will be eliminated. Badhita means nivarteta. न तु तात्विकम अद्वैतम विरोधुम अर्हति. It will not be able to stop तात्विका अद्वैत. न विरोधुम अर्हति. So any duality will not stand to avoid or to restrict Advaita Jnanam. Advaita Jnanam will take place for Adhikari. Tattvajnanat prak avasthayam eva tattvopadesham nimittikritya yatah shastradi bhedo anudyate. Tattvajnanat prag, before the knowledge takes place, keeping in mind the tattvopadesha, tattvopadesham nimittikritya yatah means yasmat, shastradi bheda is anudyate. Anudyate means it is spoken. It should be vach dhatu. And there is some prasarana. Let me just check. Anyway, you can check what is the dhatu there. So it is spoken शास्त्रादि भेदः. उपदेश प्रयुक्ते तु ज्ञाने निर्वृत्ते न किंचिदपि द्वैतम अस्ति. निर्वृत्ते और निवृत्ते, what is there in your पाठ? what should be there?
Nivritti.
So the sentence will become Jnana Nivritti. You want Jnana Nivritti or Nirvritti?
Nirvritti sounds completion, establishing.
Jnane Nirvritti. So when Jnanam is accomplished, Nirvritti is correct. Na kinchidapi dvaitam asti. Iti advaitam aviruddham. There is no dvaitam. Advaitam is aviruddham, uncontradicted. Ityarthaha. Shloka Vyavartyam Ashankam. So, Anand Giriji already explained in brief the Karika. Now, Bhashya we are entering into. Shloka Vyavartyam Ashankam. That Shanka which is eliminated by the Shloka, that Shanka is first given. So, the whole purpose of this teaching will be Shanka Samadhanam, so that if there are any doubts, they are eliminated. This is Thuna Nikhanan Nyaya. So, if Shastriya Shanka is raised, Shanka should be raised by people who have properly studied Shastra. And based on Shastra, they raise Shanka. Laukika Shanka, they will not be discussed in these kind of discussions. Nanu Shasta Shastram Shishya iti vikalpaha katham nivartate iti uchyate. Purvapakshi says, okay, all other vikalpas will go. What about this Shastra Shasta Shishya vikalpa? In 16th batch, I had given one brahmachari named Shasta. Because I think in Kerala, the Ayyappa ji is called Shasta. That is his name. Tika. Tadanivruttau nadvaita siddhir न च शास्त्रादि भेदस्य कल्पितत्वाद अविरोधः तद अनिवृत्तम. If that nivritti doesn't take place, Shastra, etc., then there is no Advaita Siddhi. Advaita Siddhi will not happen. न च शास्त्रादि भेदस्य कल्पितत्वात् अविरोधः. But शास्त्रादि भेद is kalpita, and therefore there is no virodha. It will be negated. It will be as much mithya as anything else. Now, Purvapakshi has a doubt. See, तथा सति धूमाभासवत् तत्वज्ञान हेतुत्व अनुपपत्तेः इत्यर्थः. Let us say somebody projects dhuma abhasa in Parvata or in Gangaji. In cold weather, you see actually steam like coming out of Gangaji. So much so that you can't see the other side also. That much. So somebody mistakes that as dhuma, and he will do vanni anumana. Based on this asad hetu, dhuma is asad hetu there. So here, because it is abhasa, तथा सति धूमाभासवत् तत्वज्ञान हेतुत्व. So if dhuma abhasa is there, vanni jnanam will not take place, because dhuma is abhasa, it is kalpita. So if you say Shastra, Guru, they are kalpita, kalpita vastu cannot produce jnanam. Like Kalpita Dhuma cannot produce Vanni Jnanam. How will Kalpita Shastra produce Brahma Jnanam? This is the Purvapaksha. Second and third number टिप्पणी तथा सति शास्त्रादेः कल्पितत्वे सति शास्त्रादि न तत्र ज्ञान हेतुः आभासत्वात् बाष्प अध्यस्त धूमाभासवत् इति. See, he has done अनुमानम. शास्त्रादि. This is what टिप्पणीकार also likes, you know. Immediately they will do some anumana. Shastradi न तत्र ज्ञान हेतुः is the sadhya. Hetu is because it is abhasa. Drashtanta is bashpa adhyasta dhuma abhasa, like some steam or dust also. Dust storm, somebody may think it is smoke. So it is erroneous. Answer is given. धूमाभासस्य अव्याप्तस्य अतद्हेतुत्वे अपि कल्पितस्य शास्त्रादेः तत्वज्ञान हेतुत्वं प्रतिबिंबादिवत् उपपन्नम् इति उत्तरम् आह. धूमाभास, there is no vyapti of vanni. Yatra yatra dhuma abhasa tatra vanni is not there. So it is not hetu. Tasya atad hetu means hetutva bhava. Na tad hetu iti atad hetu. Dhumabhas is not the hetu, but kalpitasya shastradehe tatvajnana hetutvam is there. Kalpita shastra is still tatvajnana hetu because we have different drashtanta. Pratibimbadivat. Like in mirror, I see the face, it is kalpita, but I can accomplish my work. Whatever I want to do, shaving, our shaving happens without any mirror. But if required, applying chandan, vibhuti, what is there, you just apply wherever there is forehead. But pratibimba can help. Pratibimbadivat upapannam iti uttaram aha. Bhashyakar says uchyate iti. Tika. Shishyah shasta shastram iti ayam vikalpo vibhagah. Shishya, shasta, shastram and shiksha. In Dasha Shloki there is a shloka. न शास्ता न शास्त्रम न शिष्यो न शिक्षा न चत्वम न चाहम न चायम प्रपंचः स्वरूपावबोधाद विकल्पा सहिष्णुस्तदेको वशिष्ठः शिवः केवलोऽहम्. I am that Shiva. So this vikalpah vibhagah, vikalpa means vibhaga, सोपि निवृत्ति प्रतियोगित्वात् अवस्तुत्वात् ज्ञानबाध्यत्वात् अद्वैत अविरोधी इत्यर्थः. This vikalpa is nivritti pratiyogi. Nivritti pratiyogi means it is subject to negation. It will get nivritti. This vikalpa also avastutvat, because it is avastu. It is jnana badhya, negated by knowledge. Tippani 4, 5, 6, let us see. The previous page, 4 number tippani is just explanation. Anumiti pramajatakatve avyaptatvam hetur na avasatvam mukhavase vyabhicharat. So there is vyabhichara in the hetu given by Purvapakshi. Here 4 number tippani you see. Vibhago mithya. This is on page 64. Vibhaga is mithya. Pradarshita hetu tritayat. Iti anumanam. Iha suchitam drashtavyam. Another anumana. Vibhaga is mithya. Why? Because of these 3 hetus. Nivritti pratiyogitvad, avastutvad, jnanabadhyatvad. निवृत्तेः प्राग विरोधी स्याद् अतः अवस्तुत्वात्. निवृत्तेः प्राक्, before he says, okay, when it is nivritta, then it is not Advaita Virodhi. But when it is not nivritta, at that time it must be Advaita Virodhi. He says, no, it is avastu. 6 number, kutaha tat कुतः तत्वम् अतः आह ज्ञान इत्यादि. ज्ञानबाध्यत्वात्. कुतः अवस्तुत्वं ज्ञानबाध्यत्वात्. सो यद् यद् ज्ञानबाध्यं तत्तद् अवस्तु. यथा रज्जुसर्पः. शिष्यादि विभागस्य कल्पितत्वं दृष्टान्तेन स्पष्टयति. शिष्यादि विभागम is kalpitam. This is explaining through drishtanta. शिष्यादि विभागस्य कल्पितत्वम. You are not able to hear me? Can you hear me or not?
We can hear you, Swamiji.
Okay. शिष्यादि विभागस्य कल्पितत्वम. This Shishya, Shastra, etc., this Vibhaga is Kalpita, for that Drishtanta is given. Yatha in Bhashya. So, first you see previous line. Vikalpo vinivarteta yadi kenachit kalpitah syat. Vikalpa would go away if it is kalpita by somebody, by anybody. Kenachit kalpita. Yatha ayam prapancho. Maya. Maya is different. Means you don't have to separate. It is a samastapada, but Maya is one thing. Yatha ayam prapancho. Maya rajju sarpavat. Means Mayavat rajju sarpavat cha. Maya rajju sarpavat. Tatha ayam. So you have to do first Maya cha rajju sarpascha. Maya rajju sarpaha. Maya rajju sarpau. Tadvat Maya rajju sarpavat. In that way you have to do. तथा अयम शिष्यादि भेद विकल्पो अपि प्राक् प्रतिबोधात् एव उपदेश निमित्तः. Only until the knowledge takes place, प्राक् प्रतिबोधात्, before the knowledge is given, उपदेश निमित्तः. And that's why Acharya also should not feel, I am Acharya. This knowledge is given, now everybody is Acharya. And everybody should have whatever respect that they had, that is for them. Because they say that Advaitam Trishu Lokeshu, Nadvaitam Gurunasaha. All three worlds can be Advaita. But when it comes to Vyavahara with Guru, there is no Advaitam. Which you already know, so I don't need to tell. You are all already very, very advanced students. Tika. Prak pratibodhadeva upadesha nimitta. Tika, let us see. Maya vina prayukta maya yatha kalpita uchyate. Maya kalpita by Mayavi is only kalpita, imaginary or superimposed. Yathacha sarpadharadir vikalpitaha or sarpadhara udaka danda ityadi. तथा अयम प्रपंचः सर्वोपि कल्पितो वस्तु न भवति इति प्रपंचितम्. All these things, sarvopi kalpitaha prapanchaha vastu na bhavati. It is not a thing, it is not an entity. Iti prapanchitam. Vistaritam is elaborated. तथैव प्रपञ्चैकदेशः शिष्यादिः अपि ज्ञानात् प्राक् कल्पितः. शिष्यादि विकल्प is in one, it is a small aspect of the entire prapancha. You have to remember, if Ishwaradi vikalpa is also eliminated, 14 lokas, that vikalpa is also gone. Brahmaji, Hiranyagarbha, whatever we understand, Sukha, Dukha, Dharma, Adharma, Punya, Papa, Prarabdha, Sanchita, everything is actually negated, including Prarabdha. That's why Jnani's understanding is I am Brahma, not I am Brahma Jnani. I am Brahma. तथैव प्रपञ्चैकदेशः शिष्यादिरपि ज्ञानात् प्राक् कल्पितः सन् अज्ञानकृतो मिथ्या इत्यर्थः. This prapancha is ajnanakritah and therefore it is mithya. There is nothing that it will not be negated, it will also be negated. Kimiti jnanat purvam aso kalpyate tatraha. Why it is kalpita before knowledge? Kalpita also means Vedas only have kalpita. People generally don't think that I need guru. But Shastra says tad vijnanartham sa guru me bhavigachet. Vedanto nama upanishad pramanam. So then you have to study the Shastra, etc. Kalpyate tatraha upadesha iti. Upadeshadayam vadaha shishyah shasta shastram iti. Then after that there is Ata in Tika. Pratika is Ata, but Ata is there before Upadesha. Upadesha nimitto, that Prag Pratibodhadeva Upadesha nimitto, that Upadesha is this. Upadesham uddishya yathokta vibhaga vachanam iti uktam upasamharati. Upadesham uddishya, keeping Upadesha in mind, yathokta vibhaga vachanam. Yathokta vibhaga is the Shastra, Shastra, Shishya, etc. Vibhaga vachanam iti uktam upasamharati. Ata iti. Ata upadeshadayam vadaha. Shishya Shastra, Shasta Shastram iti. In other words, Advaita Jnanam will take place. Everything should be understood as mithya, including all dualities. And these karikas, when we study, we should remember Gaudapadacharya ji. How he is. Where is he sitting? Because he has written these from his quote unquote state. So, to do justice to what is written here, he must be in 5th or 6th Bhumika of Yoga Vasishtha. That is where he must be sitting when he wrote, and then just withdraw. For such sadhaka, this Upadesha will make sense. Upadeshat prag iva tasmad urdhvam api bhedo anuvartatam. I said, okay, if before teaching Bheda is there, after teaching also Bheda will continue. Why not? Bhedo anuvartatam. इति आशंक्य विरोधी सद्भावान मैवम इत्याह. He says before knowledge there was no virodhi. After knowledge, jnanam is the virodhi of dvaitam. So this jnanam will eliminate dvaitam. टीका भाष्य. उपदेश कार्ये तु ज्ञाने निर्वृत्ते ज्ञाते परमार्थ तत्वे द्वैतम न विद्यते. When the upadesha karya is over, then jnanam will take place. Once jnanam has taken place, then paramartha tattve jnate dvaitam na vidyate. So this jnate dvaitam na vidyate, it's supposed to be some shruti also. At least that much part is the shruti also. With this, 18th karika is over, 7th mantra karikas are all over, main teaching is over. Now, see टीका. तत्व ज्ञान समर्थानाम मध्यमानाम उत्तमानाम च अधिकारिणाम अध्यारोपापवादाभ्याम पारमार्थिकम तत्वम उपदिष्टम. So for the madhyam adhikari and uttam adhikari, upadesha is been given with the help of adhyaropa apavada prakriya. Paramarthikam tattvam upadishtam. Now who is uttama adhikari? Uttama adhikari is the one who gets the knowledge also and is able to see the result in himself or herself and can abide in this truth. This is uttama adhikari. Right away. Right away means one reading, means one shravanam with guru, one mananam, they are done. Madhyama adhikari, few rounds. They will say, I have understood everything, but I don't see the result of this in my life. Means they have purva pratibandhas from purva janma. So those pratibandhas will either make them more and more extrovert. So their knowledge is not taking place. They will say, oh, I understand. But knowledge doesn't take any real ground, root as such. This is Madhyama Adhikari. And if there are a lot of vignas, for sadhakas, they will have so many things, other things going on. Upanishad Vidya, even though they will say, I have taken karma sannyas, they are not actually engaged in any 8 to 5, 8 to 6 job as such. But they can't sit quietly. And their prarabdha will not let them sit quietly. It will create vignas for them. It can be different kinds. Roga can be there. So many other, some of them. I don't need to tell. And you see so many people coming, going while course is going on. Here also, while Adhyanam is going on, they'll go. Sometimes they don't give importance to Vedanta Shravanam. They think some Purascharana, Anusthana. Remember, if you have not done any such things in Purva Janma, you might have to do. Because Shastra, Brahma Vidya also will say you are not ready for me and I am not ready for you. That's why that Kenopanishad mantra says, Maham Brahma Nirakuryam, Ma Brahma Nirakarod. So sometimes the seeker will say, no, 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 I don't want Brahma Vidya. And sometimes Brahma Vidya will say, I will not go there, no matter what. So then you end up being either the Madhyama or Kanishtha Adhikari. And there is no force that, no, if others are doing, then your prarabdha is different. Others' prarabdha is different. Nobody knows whose prarabdha is what. And nobody knows who has what pratibandha. That's why you have to do lot of sharanagati bhakti to Ishvara. Because only Bhagavan will set these things. How? That we don't know. It is anirvachaniya. But we see lot of Mahatmas, you know. Now, I'll give simple example. It is said Rishir Vamadeva, in mother's womb, he got enlightenment. Now you ask how? What did he do there? Only pratibandha got removed when he had to take birth. So some pratibandha was there, which you cannot put it in writing, it is this pratibandha. He had to take birth. Then immediately he got knowledge. So Purva Pathita, he has done Shravanam, he has done Mananam, everything is there. Jnana Phalam he didn't get. Now I took very big name just to explain that if it can happen there, it can happen to anybody. The pratibandhas are not samanya. And I think I mentioned in Naishkarmya Siddhi, 2nd chapter, Purva, Smarita, Smaryamana, this way 4 vikalpas are created. One is Virat. Virat also, nobody gives Upadesha. We saw this in Anubhuti Prakasha, in Brahadaranyaka. That nobody gave teaching to Virat, but he had Bhaya. Then suddenly he attained enlightenment. So he had also done Shravanam, Mananam before. Lot of Punyas were there. Punya Punja. Without that, Binu Punya Punja, Binu Milahina Santa. So that also, when it is there, suddenly he attained enlightenment. So Pratibandha Nivritti for him also. Now, okay, so Uttama Madhyama is discussed. What about others? Idanim Tattva Grahana Asamarthanam. Tattva Grahana Samarthanam, those who are not able to either grasp the teaching or stay in it, abide in it. Asamarthanam. Adham Adhikarinam. Anand Giriji Maharaj has no hesitation in giving this title. They are, and we also should not worry. We should not think that, oh, I don't want to be in Adham Adhikari category. Remember, everybody in some life or the other, they are Adham Adhikaris only. Gradually only people become Uttama. Adham Adhikarinam. Atma Dhyana Vidhanaya. For them, dhyana, meditation. Atma Dhyana Vidhanaya. Aropa Drishtim eva avashtabhya vyachaste. For them, only Adhyaropa. They are not ready for Apavada. Aropa Drishtim eva. Why? Because they will start something else only. And the whole parampara will collapse. So they deserve only Adhyaropa. Or even if they, see, Now somebody says, I can buy books, I can read online, I can listen to all recordings. Who will stop me? Nobody will stop you. Brahma Vidya, Shruti Mata will say, I will stop myself. Nobody else needs to stop me. I will make sure neither you get the knowledge nor you get the result. And I'm telling you, see, I have left home for this more than 20 years back, right? I see, and since then I am only doing this Vedanta, that too Advaita. No other darshan, no other natak I have done, and Bhagavan has saved me from everything else. Only this parampara. And by Bhagavan's grace, somehow direct Shankaracharya ji's prem we had, that I don't need anything else. I have seen all kinds of students. Even if you want to walk on this path, it based on in which house you are born, all samskaras will play. No matter how much anybody wants to deny, this Varna Ashrama Vyavastha is going to play its role. Either it is your will, your wish to go astray, or your prarabdha karma will force you to go astray. This I have seen. And this you also must have seen. Now you all are also studying this. So, whatever is said in tradition is more than 200% true. There is no doubt. So, for Uttam Adhikari, Madhyam Adhikari, Adhyaropapavada, teaching is imparted. They will see the result right away or in due course of time. And Adham Adhikari, only Adhyaropa, it will be given some more time for knowledge to take place. See Bhashya now. Abhidheya Pradhana Omkarash Chatushpadatmeti Vyakhyato. Now, Abhidheya Pradhana, this is where we started. Abhidhana, Abhidheya. Abhidheya Pradhana Omkara Chatushpad Atma. So, Abhidheya Pradhana is Atma. Vyakhyata. Yaha Soyam. We have to see the mantra. Soyamatmadhyaksharam Omkarodhimatram. Pada matra, matrascha pada, akar ukaro makar iti. So soyam atma adhyaksharam omkaraha. This atma is adhyakshara. Adhi akshara means is akshara. Om, omkaraha is adhimatram. Is akshara adhimatram. Pada matraha matrasya padaha. It has padas and matras. Padas are in atma. Matras are in omkara. Padas are matras, matras are padas. Both ways they are mapped. And what are they? Akara, ukara, makara, iti. It is prose, so we don't chant twice, there is no need. At least we chanted once. Maharajji doesn't let you chant once also. Only he will chant. Soyam atma adhyaksharam omkaro adhimatram. Padas are matras. Prathama pada is Vishwa. Dvitiya pada Taijasa. Tritiya pada Prajna. Chaturtha pada, there is no name. What is the name for Chaturtha Pada? What is the name? Chaturtha only. Turiya means Chaturtha. What is the name for fourth Pada? Fourth. Means there is no name. In the same way here also, matras prathama is akara, dvitiya is ukara, tritiya is makara, chaturtha will be amatra. Now see, so what is said here? The whole idea is, if I don't understand the teaching, if I don't see the result, I can do Omkara Dhyanam. So for sannyasis, those who don't get to do Shravanam, or on Anadhyaya days, if they are not doing Shravanam, if they are not teaching Adhyapana, etc., 12,000 Omkar Japa they have to do. Swamiji knows. Pranava Japa Upadesha they have to do. Daily, if they are doing other Shravana, Adhyana, Adhyapana, then daily they don't need to do. But at least when there is, let's say, no class, and then they can do. Those who have too many teaching, 6 classes and they have to study and teach, then they may not have that much. Then if they do, they'll it is, that is just to complete the count. But you do few, but you try to abide in the teaching. Those who are in teaching, those who are not teaching, those who have lot of studies also, then at least when there are no classes and all, then they should do. Because those who have to memorize sutras and these other karikas or panktis from different places, they may not get that much time. But so Omkar Japa and Seva, these two are prescribed for those who are not able to absorb the teaching. And that's why in our Kailash Ashram also, for some Mahatmas, that is more predominant. It is said, you do this then. Some Shravanam you do, but mostly they engage in other activities. So, and now somebody says, I can't do Omkar Japa. You do Saguna Brahma, Shiva, Ishvara, Rama, Krishna, whatever, your Ishta Devata. Keep Bhagwan as your true companion. Like how Arjuna had Bhagwan Shri Krishna. Shishyasteham Shadimam Tvam Prapannam. With that attitude, you be at Bhagwan's feet, Bhagwan will guide you. Tika Adhyaksharam iti etad vyakaroti. So Soyam Atma, earlier it was said, Soyam Atma Chatushpad. Let us see Tippani 1 and 2. यह ओंकार अभिधेय प्राधान्येन चतुष्पाद आत्मा इति व्याख्यातः इति अन्वय. दिस ओंकार अभिधेय प्रधान इज आत्मा ब्रह्म. व्याख्यातः चतुष्पाद आत्मा. अभिधेय प्राधान्यम ओंकारस्य आत्मतादात्म्यम. अभिधेय प्रधान इज दैट ओंकार इज नथिंग बट आत्मा. इन दैट वे this is abhideya. Abhidhana is akara, ukara, makara. Soyam atma iti yat shabdokta onkara abhinnatva vivakshaya atmanah tat shabda paramrishyatvam iti avadeyam. Yat shabdokta onkara abhinnatva vivakshaya. This onkara abhinna is atma. Omkara is the Shabda. By that Atma is revealed. Atmanah tat Shabda paramrishyatvam iti avadeyam. So that is to be recollected. First and second mantra. Soyam Atma Adhyaksharam. Adhyaksharam Aksharam adhikritya abhidhana pradhanyena varnyamano adhyaksharam. अक्षरम अधिकृत्य वर्तते इति अध्यक्षरम. So Akshara is Om. That Atma is revealed by Akshara. Pradhana. Varnyamanah Adhyaksharam. Tika. Adhyaksharam iti atra kim punaha tadaksharam iti prashnapurvakam vyutpadayati. Adhyaksharam means what is that Atma, which Akshara it is indicating. Kim punaha tadaksharam, what is that Akshara? Means the student must be who forgot which Akshara is. Bhashyakar writes Onkaraha. But such things also can happen. Sometimes some students sleep. In the beginning of class itself, they doze off. Then suddenly, Aksharam, then he'll ask, which Aksharam? So, Guru is very Paramakarunika, Onkaraha, he says. Tasya Visheshanantaram Darshayati. Second and third Tippani. Oh, I think some of the other Tippanis, if I have not covered, they are just simple things you can read. Atma is Akshara Abhinna, that you remember. Here, the Tippani, we have to see which one. 2 and 3. Second and third Tippani. Tasya means Onkara Abhinnasya Atmana. Atma which is not different from Onkara. Visheshanantaram. Adhyaksharatva Visheshana Apekshaya Visheshanantaram. Another Visheshana different from Adhyakshara. What is that? Visheshanantaram. Soyam Onkaraha. That is Onkaraha. Padashaha Pravibhajyamano. That which is divided in the form of padas. Padashaha Pravibhajyamana. Adhimatram. Matram adhikritya vartate iti adhimatram. Matram adhikritya. Keeping in mind the matras means the one which has these matras is adhimatra. Matram adhikritya vartate, which exists, is adhimatram. Atma hi padasho vibhajyate. Matram adhikritya punaha onkaro vyavatisthate. Atma hi padasho vibhajyate. Matram adhikritya punaha onkaro vyavatisthate. So Onkara exists with matras. Atma stays with padas. Tat katham padasho vibhajyamanasya adhimatratvam iti pruchati. So then somebody says, okay, Onkara has matra, Atma has pada. How do you say Onkara has pada? Or how do you say Atma has matra? This is the question. Onkaraha padashah vibhajyamanasya katham adhimatratvam. How does it have adhimatra? So if Onkara has pada, then how does it have matra? If Onkara is divided as 4 padas. So first it is said Onkara is Atma. Then it says Atma has padas. So that means Onkara has padas. Now it is said Onkara has matras. Understood what is happening? I will tell you again slowly. First, earlier when the Upanishad started, it is said Onkara is everything. Then it is said Onkara is Atma. This Atma is Brahma. Ayam Atma Brahma, Soyam Atma Chatushpad. So Onkara is Atma which has padas. At that time matra discussion was not there. Then all padas were explained. Prathama pada, Dvitiya pada, Tritiya pada, Chaturtha pada. Now it is said this Onkara has matras. So it is said Onkara which is divided in the form of padas. How can that Onkara have matras? ओंकारः मात्राम् अधिकृत्य पुनः ओंकारो व्यवतिष्ठते तत् कथं पादशो विभज्यमानस्य अधिमात्रत्वं? हाउ विल इट हैव अधिमात्रत्वं? कथम आत्मनो ये पादाः ते ओंकारस्य मात्राः? सो कथम इज एक्चुअली देयर वेयर द क्वेश्चन शुड एंड. कथम, हाउ? इट सेज आत्मनो ये पादाः, दोस विच आर द पादास ऑफ आत्मा, they are matras for onkara, and it is said both ways. Padaha matraha matrasya padaha. Why it is said both ways? See, when it is said mrit is ghataha, ghataha is mrit, both way it is not true. Pot is clay, but clay is not pot. Mrit is not ghataha. Only ghataha is mritika. So there it is only one way relation, not two ways. Pada matra, matra is pada, om is atma, atma is om. So this is full oneness, like tat tvameva tvameva tat, tat tvameva tvameva tat, in this way. So here also total oneness is there. पादानां मात्राणां च एकत्वात् एतद् अविरुद्धम् इत्याह. Because padas and matras are totally one, and therefore this is aviruddham ityah. Bhashya atmanah. So actually atmanah katham is separate. If you want, just put a split there. Katham atmana atmano ye padaha te onkarasya matraha. Kaha taha, in Bhashya, what are those matras? Akara, ukaro, makara iti. They are akara, ukara, makara. A, u, ma. So now upasana topic is there basically, but you understand the importance of that upasana, and in particular if I don't see the result in myself, nobody else need to tell me. If I don't see the result in myself, I should do upasana. And those who have attended other classes, I have already mentioned, like in Advaita Siddhi, you know, Madhusudan Saraswati ji did so much japa of Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Or those who take initiation early, you know, Brahmacharya, Diksha, in childhood only, since then they do Gayatri Japa. Like Vidyaranya Swamiji and all, they took sannyas at the age of 72 or something. And Brahmacharya Diksha they must have taken at 8-year-old or something. So they have 60 some years of Gayatri Japa. 60 years of Gayatri Japa. Sandhya Vandanam and other. Plus most of them, since childhood, they see all rituals happening in their house. Not pujas. I am talking about Vaidika rituals, Vaidika samskaras. And so they chant those things. They hear. Even while the child is in mother's womb, grandfather, father, they are all chanting mantras, doing all these yajna agadi. They get all those samskaras. So that's why which jiva is born in which, and if somebody is born in such a house where they are doing all other things, a child is going to get those samskaras from childhood while he is in the womb. So this preparation happens long back. Those who suddenly crash into Vedanta, and if they don't have this preparation, they will have to do. There is no escape. So one should not neglect. You do Onkara Dhyanam. Actually, Bahirmukha Pravritti also, if you want to reduce, you do Dhyanam. keep phone away, turned off, and do dhyanam. That phone is another pratibandha. Okay, so now these classes will happen only after Mahashivratri. Huh? Means other our Sankshep Shariraka and Kathopanishad will be there from tomorrow. One more thing. Let me just do Shanti Mantra, then I'll tell you. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashakritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.